Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you what to do if your WhatsApp notifications are not playing any sound on your Android phone. So to fix this, first long press on the WhatsApp icon on your home screen. Now tap this info icon at the top. In this menu, tap on notifications. Here you'll need to make sure that the sound and vibration toggle is turned on. Now scroll down and tap on notification categories. Here you will see several options. Scroll down again and tap on message notifications. Here you will need to make sure that the alert option is selected. Additionally, tap on the sound option and make sure the sound is not set to silent. Now go back to the previous menu. You will need to repeat these steps for group notifications as well. Now go back to previous page. Now tap on configure in WhatsApp. This will open the WhatsApp's notification settings. If it doesn't, you can also go to the WhatsApp app, tap the three dot icon and select settings. Now tap on notifications. Here you will need to make sure that the conversation tones is enabled. Additionally, scroll down and tap on notification tone. Make sure it is not set to silent again. Go back to the previous menu. Repeat this step for group notification as well. Finally, enable the use high priority notifications for both messages and groups. If this does not work and you are still facing problem, you can tap this three dot icon at the top. Now select reset notification settings. This will reset all the WhatsApp notification settings and hopefully solve the problem. Finally, if you are not getting notifications from a specific contact, you may have accidentally muted it. If you see a bell icon next to the contact's name with a line going through it, simply long press on the contact and tap this notification icon at the top to unmute notifications. If you find this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.